Lovett Auditorium is vitally important to Murray State University and has been really since our beginning. And I'm standing beside Miss Laureen Wells Lovett, Rainey T. Wells' daughter, who really helped envision and plan and construct this facility. But this was Dr. Wells' vision.
Lovett Auditorium is going through some major renovations and changes right now, which were much needed and we're very happy about.
We started the project with the HVAC system that had begun to fail. A lot of degradation in that system, some issues on the plaster ceiling, other issues in the auditorium. So that was really the focus of the work. Also to get the air handlers off of the stage, which are noisy.
So then you couldn't have air during a performance, you had to pre-cool the building. So now we're going to be able to keep the air on. Everything's going to be nice and quiet, and all the diffusers and everything are going to be under your feet, so you're not even going to feel the air kind of coming up below you.
There's a bunch of branches of round pipe that go to all these floor registers, over 500 holes, and each one of those holes is going to be a grill register that the HVAC distributes out through the auditorium with. And behind me you see some main square large ductwork, but branching off of basically every foot of it is some round silver pipe that then turns up through the floor. That's where the connection to the HVAC equipment is coming from. The goal is to make it comfortable for everybody in the building and not have hot spots or cold spots, just make the audience comfortable during performances.
As we were doing that work, the seats had to be removed, and we thought, well, now's the time, if we're doing this, to look at new seating. So we're going to have some really lovely seats. They still look historically appropriate. They're going to be a lot more comfortable. The aisles will be a little bit wider.
Donors will have the unique and once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to purchase seats. Our brand new seats being installed in Lovett Auditorium in the main hall, now called Trustees Hall, in honor of the Murray State University Foundation Board of Trustees, whose support is making this renovation possible. A gift to the new fund for Lovett Auditorium entitles the donor to a named plate mounted on the back of each of our new seats in the auditorium. Charitable giving to Lovett Auditorium is not a new concept, and we've been incredibly fortunate to receive generous gifts from Dr. and Mrs. Charles and Marlene Johnson, generous alumni of this university whose name appears here in the lobby of Lovett, named for them, thanking them for their support over the years.
You know, throughout history, this building has been vitally important to whether it's presidential lectures, teaching and learning for the Department of Music, Department of Theater especially.
It will be nice to have a space that when we open the doors, people will be happy to come into, and it'll be comfortable, and we can do better lighting, better sound production for the groups that are using the space. We're very, very excited about the changes and happy to see them.
This university needs an excellent performing arts facility, and Lovett Auditorium will serve that purpose in the months and years to come once we complete the work we're doing currently.